Good day, all. I am Dr. T. Arunmuri, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on solved problems in cash flow statement. I have done sums relating to the old method and as per 3 method. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. Now we move on to the old method of preparation of cash flow statement. The problem is given as liabilities and assets. We start with adjusted P&L account with by balance brought down. Adjusted P&L account balance brought down is 10,040 and 10,560 is the closing balance. Next, goodwill written off and dividend paid has to be taken here. Goodwill written off is there is goodwill is 10,000 value and 5,000 is for 2007. There is a difference of 5,000. Dividend paid, it is given as 3,500. So you get a balance of funds from operation. The balance comes to 9,020. Next, cash from operation we pass on to. With that 9,020, you add decrease in stock. Stock value is 49,200. It has come down to 42,700. So you have 6,500. Then increase in creditors. Value is 10,360 and it has increased to 11,840. So the difference of 1,480 we add. Then increase in doubtful debts. Doubtful debts is given as 14,900. Doubtful debts, here you have 700 and 800. So difference you have it as 100. Then you are going to deduct increase in debtors and cash from operations. Increase in debtors is given as 14,900 and 17,700. That amount 2,800 is deducted. So totally you get the after the additions and subtractions you get cash from operations as 14,300. Now you prepare the cash flow statement as incomes and outgoings. So cash inflow and cash outflow. So we start with the opening balance 9,000 and closing balance is 7,800 in the credit side. Further issue of cash, there is a 4,000 rupees. Next, cash, that is it is given as opening and closing. Then further issue is there. Cash from operations, we have made it as 14,300 prepared. Then purchase of land 10,000. Land value is 20,000 in the year of 2006 and 2007 it is 30,000. So the difference of 10,000 you take. Debentures, it is 12,000 for 2006 and 6,000 for 2007. So the difference is taken as 6,000. Dividend paid is 3,500. Then the closing balance already we have written. So we get the total of 27,300. These are the basic sums. Adjusted P&L account we prepare, cash from operation and cash flow statement. Now we move on to the as per 3 accounting standards as per 3 method. It is a new method. It goes with the operating activities. Second, it goes with the cash flow from investment activities. And third, financing activities. Always in the in my previous videos also I have made it as operating activities, investment activities and financing activities. So it is classified as. Then with the closing P&L account we take less opening P&L account. Net profit we have To that we are going to add dividend paid, net profit before tax and extraordinary items, add goodwill written off. So operating profit before working capital changes you get. With that you add your decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities, decrease in stock, increase in creditors is then interest in doubtful debts. You get 100 rupees. So that comes to 17,100. Less increase in current assets, decrease in current liabilities is 2,800. Increase in debtors you have. Then net cash from operating activities. Now that is 14,000. Now part 2, cash flow from investment activities. Add sale of assets, deduct purchase of land, cash used in investment activities. That has come to 10,000. Part 3, cash from financing activities. Add further issue of cash and less debentures. That is dividend paid you get 3,500. Cash from financing activities is 5,500. Net decrease in cash and cash equivalent 1,200. There you have. Add opening balance of cash 9,000 and closing balance of cash is 7,800. We get the answer to find out the cash flow statement. Hope you would understood the old method and the new method. Thank you. We would meet in the next video.